What's up, friends? Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to message someone on LinkedIn. Now, it's very easy to do, right? If you have people who that you, let's say they're in your organization and you simply want to message them, you're able to just find their profile while scrolling through, and you can open up their profile and you have the option to send them a message, right? Another way is by searching for people. So you can either search for someone by using the search, and you can go to their profile and you can just basically send them a message. There, once you're connected with them, then you're able to send those people messages as well. Another way by doing that is if you already have a message going on, you can tap on the chat on the upper right hand side and you will see your inbox. You can start a new message, and from here you can type in the name of the person. You'll be able to type the name of the person, and once you type in the name of the person, right, you'll be able to, let's say, send them a message from here as well. So you'll be able to see them in the list. You can basically, tap on their name, whatever it is may be, and once you tap on their name, you'll be able to basically message those persons as well. So multiple ways of how to go around it to message someone on LinkedIn. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.